Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Tami's TikTok dance class tutorial. Big up on yourself. I just want to say thank you guys so much for your continuous support. And for this week, we will be learning one mimazzz dance challenge. Yeah, that is what we'll be learning. So let's get into it, shall we? First move, you're going to set your hand like you're lifting some weight strong, like your flex. Okay? Fist, turn to your right. Good. Once you turn to your right, you're going to act like you're upset and just slamming down on a pillow, like You see, that's the kind of effect and power you want. Both hands. Me go so boom. That is the effect you want, alright? Me go so boom. 5, 6, 7, 8. Me go so boom. Perfect. So while you're doing this, your right leg, almost like you're stomping but on your heel in that same direction. Me go so boom. You see that? Some people land flat-footed. I guess that's fine. But if you really want to make it connect and be that effective and powerful, arm strong and heel. 5, 6, 7, 8. Up, down. You see that? 5, 6, 7, 8. Up, down. Good. Once you go down, you make sure your arms land open. Alright? Make sure your arms land open. Once it lands open, you shouldn't be like here when you land. You should be low. So you're going to hands cross, X, open, X, open. Once you're doing that, you're coming up. X, open. Notice, I'm low, close, open, close, open. Alright? And while you're coming up again, you don't want your body to be stiff, so you want to like rock with it. Okay? Notice the hips, you're rocking. Left, right, left, right. So let's try that from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. Stomp, close, open, close. That's it. 5, 6, 7, 8. Stomp, close, open, close. Got it? Good. Now, with this move, you're going to do it on the left side now. Same procedure. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Stomp, close, open, close. One more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. Stomp, close, open, close. After that, you're going to do it forward with your right foot. Lift your right foot, place it in front of you. Stomp it. Like stomp. Arms just the same. Slam. Slam. Make sure you're low. Close. Wiggling your body. Open. Close. From the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. Stomp. Close. Open. Close. Next side. Stomp. Close. Open. Close. Front. Stomp. Close. Open. Close. Okay. Now let's try to walk it with the music. 5, 6, 7, 8. Me go so boom. Dun 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 dun. Me go so boom. Dun 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 dun. Me go so boom. Dun 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 dun. That's the effect. That is the beat. That is the rhythm we want to be on. All right. Next part. You're gonna do the shaky legs. Now, if you've been following the tutorials, you know legs are shake, the knees bad, the nerves bad. All right. So you're gonna shake on 2. 1, 2, stop. 1, 2, stop. So once you shake your legs on 2, you're going to pop the legs open, almost like you have a bow leg or bandy leg. You know, when you stand up, your foot bend back. That is the kind of effect you want. So it's 5, 6, 7. Shake the legs. 1, 2, pop. 1, 2, pop. And while you're doing the 1, 2 pop, make sure your hands are kind of doing something, and when it pop, you stuck your hands as well. So from the shaky legs, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, pop. 1, 2, pop. Good? Okay, from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. Slam, close, open, left, slam, close, open, forward, slam, close, open. Shaky, shaky, stuck. Shaky, shaky, stuck. Alright? Now with the music. 5, 6, 7. Make us a boom. Open, close, open, close. Make us a boom. Close and open. To the front, close and open. Shaky legs, boom. Shaky legs, pop. Yeah. Alright. So after that now, watch the confusion, you know. This part. Yeah, that is what we're going to learn right now. So guys, no bother with the drama and the excitement. I got you. So, we're here, right? Just pretend you're writing the number 7 across, down, okay? That's 7 I'm talking about. That's 7, yeah. Yeah. So, you see the right foot? You're going to use the right foot to write the 7. See there? Left, right, and back. Left, right, back. Got it? Again, left, right, back, together. Left, right, back, together. Just like the number 7. Look. Left, bring it across. Right, bring it back. Back. And you just bring back the foot together. And that is going to be fast, because you hear how fast the song is. But that is the pattern you want to follow. Okay? Now this is how fast it's going to be. Left, right, back together. That's how fast it's going to be. Make us a You see? Once you get it slow, you can do it fast. So we start slow at first so you know where to place your feet, alright? So again, 5, 6, 7, 8. Left, right, back, together. Left, right, back, together. Next part. Left leg, step back, and then you step to the left. Out to the left, and then you bring it together. Back, left, together. Again, back, left, together. One more time. Back, left, together. All right, now we're going to put both of them together. Are we ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Left, right, back, together. Back, left, together. One more time. Left, right, back, together. Back, left, together. Remember number 7? Left, right, bring it down, together. Back, left, together. Pick it up. Left, right, back, together. Back, left, together. Left, right, back, together. Back, left, together. Faster. Left, right, back together, back, left, together. 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 That is it. That is the move right there. Guys, nobody kill on yourself. If you don't get it on the first try, it takes time, it takes practice. Alright? And remember, I'm not responsible for any slip trips or fall. Do this at your own pace, on your own time, okay? From the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. Slam, close, open, close, slam, close, open, front, slam, close, open. Shaky, shaky, stop. Shaky, shaky, stop. Left, right, back, together, back, left, together. Now we're gonna do it on the beat. Ready? Me go so boom, bounce it up, tum, 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 tum. Next side, bounce it up, tum, tum, tum. To the front, bounce it up, tum, tum. Shake it, shake it, boom, ta, ta, shake it, take it, tum, da, da. We go so 1, 2, 3, 4, back, ta, ta. That is it, guys. You notice when you hear the song, you will know how fast to move your feet on the beat. Alright, so that is what we're doing. So after the 7 and the big confusion a while ago, left, right, back, close, back, left, close. Then you're going to bring your arms like it's up. You're going to bring it to your right hip. While you're bringing it to your right hip, you bring your hip up, down. Elbow to the hip. Elbow to the hip. Elbow to the hip. See it there? Elbow to the hip. Are you that? Boom. Dum da dum dum da da da. Boom. Dum da dum dum da da da. Boom. Dum da dum. Knock it hard. Boom. Boom. Yeah, that is it. So that part goes where? Left, right, back, close, open, back, close. Boom. That part. Yeah. We got it? Yeah, man. From the top. 5, 6, 7. Slam, close, open, close. Left, close, open, close. Close, open, shaky, shaky, pop. Shaky, shaky, pop. Left, right, back together, back, left together. Elbow to the hip. That is it. After this, boom. Then we're going to take it around 2 times. Imagine you are a clock. You are a clock, all right? Where my head is, that is my 12 o'clock. Where my feet is, that is my number 6. Number 9, number 3, okay? My number 9 is my left, and my number 3 is my right. So when I say turn around, you're going to use your right foot, and you're going to try to step to your number 9. So bring yourself around, step to the 9, just like that. You see? I am facing you guys, 12 o'clock. So we're going to step to the 9 hand. Turn around. That is it. You see that? That's how far I need to turn around. And you're going to step to your 3 o'clock. There it is. There it is, right there. So the step, once you're stepping, make sure your hands are just open and close it. You can do this to bring your hand around while you're going around, or you can do open and close with your hand like you're going around. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 o'clock, 3 o'clock. Or 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 o'clock, 3 o'clock. So basically the left foot is plant where it's at. It's just basically turning. Your right foot is the one that is guiding you around. Okay? One more time. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 o'clock, 3 o'clock. After that turn, let's take it from the top slow. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go so slam, close, open, close. Next side, slam, close, open, close. Front, slam, close, open, shaky, shaky, pop, shaky, shaky, pop. Number 7. Left, right, back, together, back, left, together. Hip to elbow. Turn around. 9 o'clock, 3 o'clock. That is it. I know that. Now let's run it on the actual pace of the beat. Okay? Let's go. 5, 6, 7. We go so boom. Left. Dun, 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 dun. Front. Dun, 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 dun. Shaky, shaky, pop. Shaky, shaky, pop. Number 7. Dun, 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 back, left, dun. Hip to elbow. We return. 9 o'clock, 3 o'clock. Yes! Good. Good. Great job, guys. Now, your right foot, you're going to put it out, but just on your heel. Like you're stepping out on your heel. Right? So, heel, back, right foot, left, heel back, right heel back, left heel back. That's it. Right heel back, left heel back. Once you're doing that, both your hands are in the air. Your hands are basically doing this the whole time, waving flag. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. So once your hands are doing that, you just put out the right foot, put out the left foot. If you want to be flat-footed, that is fine. Guys, remember, don't pressure on yourself as long as you know how to do like the motion. Alright? The more you practice, the more it flow and the more your body just working and do what it's supposed to do. From the turn, 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 wavy, wavy right stop, wavy, wavy left stop. We good? Are we following? Let's go from the top again. 5, 6, 7, 8. Slam, close, open, close, slam, close, open, close. Front, slam, close, open, wiggle, wiggle, stop, wiggle, wiggle, stop. Number 7. Left, right, back together, back, left together. Hip to elbow, signal your turn around. 9 o'clock, 3 o'clock, wavy, wavy, stuck, wavy, wavy, stuck. Hey, I know that, you know? I know that. Just go and practice, guys. Alright, so, ready to run it with the full pace? Let's do it, then we go on to the next step. 5, 6, 7. Me go so boom. Me go so boom. Me go so boom. Shaky, shaky, stop. Shaky, shaky, stop. Number 7. Hip to elbow. And we turn. And we 9. And we 3. Shaky, shaky. Hey, shaky, shaky. Hey, yes. All right, now the walk out now like a hot girl, like a good as. You just come from the nail salon, remember say your nails they're not fully dry, you understand? So you have your, the attitude. You're gonna walk 4 times. Walk, 2, 3, 4. That is it. If you wanna walk 2 times to the front, 1, 2, and then take it back 2 times, that's on you. Feel free to spice it up and flare it up. But because I'm doing a beginner's dance tutorial, I'm trying to keep it as simple as possible for you guys. So I can that like up after. I'm gonna Maggie, I'm gonna all purple salad and everything in one food. Alright, so we're gonna walk, you know, at your settings. Ooh, angle me. 4, 5, 6, 7, walk. Walk, 2, 3, 4. That's it. That's it, no man, nothing else than that. So after this, we go so boom, take it to give it after sexy girl. Oh man, yeah. That is it. The walk, the easiest part of the dance. You can't mess up that the part. Alright? Hello, me don't want nobody to do at the part of the dance and say, yeah, me catch you and just show me the walk alone and it's not gonna work. It's not going to work. You want the full dance and tag me. Do the full dance and tag me. Alright, so after we walk 2, 3, 4, you're going to whine on 4. Whine, 2, 3. Whether you want to whine anti-clockwise, clockwise, Shakira, whichever one you want, but just make sure say anyone wanna do, wanna hold the part on the shirt, she or the dress, and not do this. Shake it. Shake, yeah man, see the tail, yeah? Yeah. Shake it. Shake it up, yeah. Ready? And the shake is gonna be 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. See that? 1, 2. Like you're hot, like you're fun. Yeah man, fan your body. Fan your body with your clothes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Meanwhile you're funny and wine. Murder. 1, 2, 3, 4. From the walk. Ready? 5, 6, 7. From the other here we after sexy girl. 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. That is it. Me can't go no more in depth with uno than that. In uno good so. Uno no good so. After that now, we take it from the top. Yeah, uno ready? Let's go. 5, 6, 7. Make us so boom. Dun 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 dun. Boom. Dun 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 to the front. Boom. Dun 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 dun. Shake it, stop. shaky, shaky, stop. 7, boom, dun, 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 dun. Hip to the, I'm turning around. 9, 3, wave and stuck, and walk. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah! Hey, you a dancer, you know? Uno a dancer, that me know. So after that part there is the alright. That part. So basically you just twist your foot and slide to the left, slide to the left, slide to the right. That is it. The two of them, left, then bring your heel around. Left, sit there, toes first, then heel. Toes first, then heel. That is it. That is it. Alright, 1, 2, 3, to the left, toes, heel, toes, heel, 1, 2, 3 to the right. So while you're doing that, alright, your hand go around same time. Wash my belly, yeah man, I do this. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. Make sure the waist are wiggly now. Next side, right, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Right, 2, 3. 1, 2, stuck. Right, 2. Make sure the head lean. Sit there. 1, 2, stop the head. Right, 2, stop the head. Angle here. 1, 2, yeah. Right, 2, yeah. That is it. That is it. Because so, alright. Alright. That is it. Easy cheese, no one, nothing more than that. Take it from the walk. 5, 6, 7, 8. From the other gear, walk. 2, 3, 4. Find yourself. 1, 2, 3, 4. Slide to the left. 1, 2, 3. Slide to the right. 1, 2, 3. Hey, me tell me something, so no want me to do this again for me now? I'm not professional. Alright. So from the top. 5, 6, 7. Let's go. We go so boom. Close and open, close. Boom. Close and open. Front. Boom. Close and open. Shaky, shaky, stop. Shaky, shaky, stop. Number 7. Hip toe. And we're turning around at 9 o'clock, 3 o'clock, wavy, wavy, stop, wavy, wavy, stop. Walk. 1, 2, 3, 4, fan, hold no self. Sit here. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, ready, set. Me go so, alright. That part me love. Me go so, alright. I honor that. After that now, the last move. We finally made it. Never would have made it. We finally made it, guys. The last move, want to know a drift. Want to know a drift. This, I have a drift dance tutorial. So if you don't watch it, please go watch it. Can I go in depth of how to do this. Rock on the shoulder. Rock on the shoulder. Crunch down a little bit. You see me not straight. Bend a little bit. Rock on the shoulder. Yeah. Hand, do the drift hand. See the drift here? It's giving scorpion. Oh, yeah. Hand like that. Rock on the shoulder, rock on the body. See it there. Shoulder up, down, up, down. And your right foot, right over left. See it there? Right over left. You walk to the side like a crab. Are you a cancer? Oh, Alice. Alright, see where you are? Rock, 2, 3, 4. Right over left. 2 times. So when you say, we go so, alright, 2, drop. Okay, so let's take it from the top. Slow. 5, 6, 7, 8. Slam, close, open, close, left, close, open, close, front, close, open, shaky, shaky, shake, shaky, shaky, shake. Number 7. Left, right, back, together, back, left, together. Hip to turn it, turn it, turn. 9, 3, shaky, shaky, wave, 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 stop. Walk, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Da 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 left. Da 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 right. Drift. 2, 3, 4. One more time. We go so boom. Shake it up. Boom. Shake it so boom. Shake it up. Boom. We go so boom. Shake it up. Shake it. Shake it. Shake it. Shake it. Stop. 7. Boom. Shake it up. Back to 7. Turn it around. Boom. Shake it up. We have on stop. We have on walk. Let's go. Walk. 2, 3, 4. Find yourself. 2, 3. And shuffle. 1, 2. 1, 2. Drift. Walk. 2, 3, 4. Guys, uno on the triangle. Me not ask, guys. Let me read just one more time without me a chat. No time, me not tell you what to do. Ready? 5, 6, 7. Guys, I know that big dance on the turn upon me. Guys, I want to say thank you guys so much for being a part of Tami's dance tutorial. Guys, I appreciate you so much. Big up on yourself. Make sure say you tag me, you know. When you catch this, you know, and do it and angle it and post it or do it or whatever, tag me and live for it. Remember, say I try to repost what I can. I do it what I can. It's the comment section for me, or you guys just angle the comments and everything. Trust me. Me tell you, say me I gonna give it to you today. And make sure I stick to my word and do it, give it to you today. Big up on yourself. Thank you so much for your support, your kind words. Love and love, I don't wanna swear. This is unreal. Me never expect none of this, but y'all did that. We're gonna keep it going, right? Period. Alright guys, big up on yourself. Love, love, love. Bye.